Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back here today in an unboxing of a Graphic 45 kit. I began getting some of their kits. I stopped them due to the fact that we had so many major things happening at one time. And I will probably go back to them. They are wonderful kits. I think it's amazing that Graphic 45 is doing this, and hold on, I'm going to move this out of the way so we can see what's in here. Alright, you'll have to bear with me right now. I'm in our family room because everything is kind of a mess in the other part of the house. So we still have boxes everywhere of files and just all different kinds of things. And hold on one second, guys. I've got stuff that's stuck together. Alrighty. Now I'm going to wipe this off real quick because that was outside on our dusty, dirty road, and we have poultry, so you never know what presents are leaving. So, okay. TMI. Sorry. So the first thing I pull out is this deep square matchbook box. I love these. Let me open the whole thing so you guys can see them in case you haven't. It's 6.5 by 6.5 by 3.5 or 3.25 inches, and yeah, I have loved these. I'm super excited to play with this. So in the kit you get quite a bit. I believe the membership is $45 a month, and I think that covers shipping. I can't remember. I will try to look that up for y'all. If I don't, I just encourage you to go to the Graphic 45 website because they're going to have everything there. So, alright. So you have a place to put a picture, and then, hold on. I guess I'm going to need to open this baby up. Just one second. Here we go. You guys have probably already seen this. That is adhesed. The adhesive is very good. Sorry if that's real close to y'all. Like I said, I'm in a different place in the house because we are literally in a sea of boxes, so, and we can't do anything until after tax season. Oh my goodness. So you put your little album in here, or whatever gift you want to give, and then it's like a little matchbook. Oh, I love this. This is so neat. Alright, well, okay, so that is the deep square Graphic 45 matchbook box, number 1. So, let me set this to the side. And the next thing we have is, this is the cardstock die cuts, and I'm trying to remember. Oh, this is the Little Women kit. Oh, and I ordered all that too because I love Little Women. When we lived in the Northeast, our family went and saw the house where Little Women was written by Louise May Alcott. Oh, and I love these. These are fun. You can make a quick, like, flip album. Those are great last-minute gifts for someone. Ooh, they have their own inks, huh? So this one is it Decades? What is the color? It's kind of a purpley, reddish, dark antique. It says Antique Dye Ink. Huh, but by color box, and I guess the color is Decades. Oh, neat. I love that. That's like a fun thing. Ooh, look at all these new metal brads. Those are neat. Okay, so there's that. And 12 by 12 paper kit of the Little Women. Oh, I love this paper. And look back here. Aren't the stickers just charming? Oh my goodness. I have that in, I think, both sizes. They then give you a wonderful idea kit. Ideas for your kit. And, oh, I love this. This is so great. Hold on. Sorry, guys. I flipped it too fast. Here we go. Oh, I love these. And look, there's those tags, those large tags. You can make it within an album. You can put those in your album. Oh, my goodness. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, that's it. Like, that's not enough. But that was a really neat kit. And this is all by Graphic 45. This is the Little Women kit. And it also comes with this darling matchbook box. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this. If you guys haven't had a chance, go over there, look at graphic45.com. They've got tons and tons and tons of great products out. I love Graphic 45. I've loved them from the very, very beginning. I've done a lot of projects with Graphic 45. So, and they are really nice people there. So, all right, guys, that's it. This is a quick review. I hope you guys are enjoying this. This is some really happy mail. And most importantly, I hope that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so, so much, friends, for stopping by. I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.